It's okay. It's all good. What you think, Torch? Huh? It's okay. No, it's okay, Tiki. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Tiki. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's okay, Tiki. Is he playing with your toy? Huh? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I don't think you scared him much. It's going to be quite a quiet meeting here. Tiki's hissing and Torch is playing. It's okay, Tiki. It's okay. It's okay. Tiki, be a good boy. No, it's okay. It's okay, Tiki. It's okay. It's okay. He's going to share your cage. Yeah. Oh, it's okay. No, Tiki. No. It's okay. It's all good. It's all good. Are you going to come out? Yeah, don't get too close to him. Don't get too close to him. Yeah, you can come out. Come on. You can come out. Sure you can. Is he taking up your space? Huh? Is he taking up your space? Mama help you? Should Mama help you? Step around him. There you go. You made it. You made it. Oh, we're going to get out of here, huh? We're going to get out of here. Don't want nobody sharing my space. I think it'll be okay, though. It'll be good. It'll be good. Sure, no, you're going to sit and poop in the water. It'll be good. You're a little bigger than you. Yeah. It'll be good. And he's going to fall in the water. It'll be good. Yeah. It's all good. I thought you'd be more excited. I thought you'd be more excited, Tiki. Mama bring you a friend. Yeah. Mama's bringing you a friend. And we're going to go down there and do our thing, huh? Are we? Are we going to go down there and do our thing? Okay. I guess this isn't going to be too exciting right now. I guess. Not going to be too exciting. Torch is checking things out. A little scary. Come in and somebody hisses at you. Okay, we'll try later. We'll try later.